So the next method of separation is separating insoluble solid substances from the liquid. The best example is, which are the methods we can adopt for this means, one is sedimentation, decantation and the other is filtration. So what is this sedimentation? Suppose I am taking a beaker which is filled with the water and I am going to mix 3 to 4 spoons of mud. If I am going to mix, you can see, is it? It will never mix, it will mix but it is not soluble. If you leave the container for 5 to 10 minutes without disturbance means you can observe the mud or the particles gets settled down, and also the water, clear water will be present clearly. The best example is the ponds and rivers near your villages. Suppose there is a good rainfall, the next day what you are going to observe means due to the heavy rainfall your ponds, rivers and lakes gets filled. You leave that for undisturbed for 2 days completely. Whenever there is a stop in rainfall, you can observe the mud gets settled down whereas the clear water will be up, is it? If you want to swim in that water, suddenly you will fall in the water. What you will observe? The muddy particles gets mixed, is it? The muddy particles gets mixed with the water. This is the best example which I am going to give. So what is the sedimentation means? If you leave the water undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes, you can see the mud which gets settled down in the beaker. That remaining we can call them as sediment. Okay, whereas the water which has been collected in the beaker is called as the water. This method is called sedimentation. The first beaker you can observe in the slide, children. Whereas for the decantation means, if you are going to take the other beaker, you leave undisturbed for the beaker and you pour the water without disturbing the sediments which you have been collected. You can just separate the water and sand, is it? This method is called decantation. Without disturbing the water and the sand, if you are going to pour the water separate and the left out precipitate, you can separate it, is it? This method is called decantation. The water which you have been collected, still it may contain finer particles of the sand or the grit. So such water can still be filtered by the process that is called filtration. You can see the third slide, children. Third one, we have been kept the stand, beaker and the funnel. In that funnel we have been put filter paper and I am going to pour the decanted water. Pure water gets filtrated whereas the finer particles get settled in the filter paper. This is about the filtration. These are the 3 methods of the separation of the insoluble solid substances from the liquid. I hope so you have been understood.